Bonjour à tous, bienvenue sur French School TV pour notre 6e leçon de ce cours de français pour débutants. Have you understand what I said? This is the first time I'm speaking completely in French at the beginning of the video. And this is going to be step by step as well. At the end of this 24 lesson, I will be speaking completely in French in a very easy way for you to understand. Now we're still in the first part of the course, so we stick with English just to start. Okay, so today plan is to learn how to say where you are from, name of your country, your city, your neighborhood, and how to speak very simply about it. Okay, so very interesting thing, easy thing to do, and important things to do as well in French. Let's go. On attack with a little dialogue, basic question and answers in a small dialogue. Okay, let's go. Tu viens d'où? Where are you from? Je viens de l'Italie. I come from Italy. Tu habites où? Where do you live? J'habite à Rome. I live in Rome. Right now, these are things we have already done in previous lessons, so it doesn't have to be too complicated, right? If it is, no worries. We will work on that again today. Everybody chill. C'est comment ton quartier? What's your neighborhood like? Neighborhood, quartier, quartier. Ton means your quartier, ton quartier. It's masculine. C'est comment ton quartier? And to answer that question, we can say c'est calme et joli. It's quiet and pretty. Nice. Now, let's see a little bit the key sentence and key answers with me. We have to repeat everything. Repeat with me. Je viens de. Je viens de. And we still have to add the country. Je viens de l'Italie. I use de L with an apostrophe because it starts with a vowel. De l'Italie. Je viens de la France, which is feminine. Je viens du Brésil, which is masculine. Yeah, I know. So countries have gender in French, but, mais, most of countries are feminine. Okay, 99% of countries are feminine in French. So you just have to look at if they start with a vowel or not. If they start with a vowel, we will say je viens de l'Italie, de l'Angleterre, de l'Espagne. If they don't start with a vowel and the feminine, we say de là. Je viens de la France, for example. Je viens de la Norvège. Je viens de la Guyane française. If it's masculine, we do have a bit of masculine countries. We say du. Je viens du Brésil, du Mexique, du Maroc, du Danemark, etc., etc. Remember, with a city, we will always use à. J'habite à Paris. J'habite à New York. J'habite à Montevideo. J'habite à Rio de Janeiro. J'habite à Bangkok, par exemple. Mon quartier est petit, grand, calme, joli. Mon quartier est my neighborhood is. Or we can also use c'est. C'est grand, c'est petit, c'est calme, c'est joli. Easy, right? Okay. Little bit of vocabulary and pronunciation. A country, we say un pays. Pays, like the letter P and I. Un pays. Masculine. Une ville, a city. Féminine. Remember, un masculine, une féminine. Un pays, une ville. Un quartier, a neighborhood. And now a few sentences. Je viens de l'Espagne. We use L with the apostrophe because Espagne starts with a vowel. Je viens de l'Espagne. J'habite à Dakar. Sénégal. Sénégal, Dakar? Yes. Mon quartier, because it's masculine, remember, possessive adjective. Mon quartier s'appelle Medina, for example. Now, say it with me. Je viens de, and you name your country. Je viens de la France. What about you? Second one. J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. What about you? Et toi? Et vous? Mon quartier est calme. Joli. What about your neighborhood? What about ton quartier, votre quartier? How is your neighborhood? And now you can make a full sentence. You know what? Why not writing this sentence with your information in the comment of this video and practice written French? It's so important to write in French. You have no idea. And the sooner you start writing in French, the better your pronunciation and sentence construction, grammar, vocabulary will be. So, you know what? I'm going to pronounce it and you guys write it in the comment. Je viens de la France. J'habite à Pau. Mon quartier est calme et joli. Et petit. It's a small neighborhood. What about you guys? Can you repeat this sentence and later write the sentence with your information in the comment of the video? I'm going to repeat it one last time. Je viens de la France. J'habite à Pau. Mon quartier est calme et joli. Your turn. And right now we're going to do a little exercise all together. Look at that. You have to complete the sentences with the correct words. Okay, here, very easy things. We want to say in the first sentence, I come from Paris. A little tip, there are two ways to say that. It's not I live in Paris. No. I come from Paris. Second sentence, my neighborhood is calm and pretty. So how are we going to say that in French? Let's see the answer. Je viens de Paris, or we can also say je suis de Paris. I am from Paris. Je viens de Paris. I come from Paris. Second sentence, mon quartier est calme et joli. My neighborhood is calm and pretty. Don't say quartier. No. Car. Mon quartier est calme et joli. Little recap about everything we have done today. Je viens de plus your country or your city as well. J'habite à plus your city. Mon quartier est And a simple adjective. Petit, small, grand, big, calm, calme ou joli, pretty. Je viens de la France. J'habite à Pau. Mon quartier est petit, calme et joli. Now what? Like always, go to the Telegram group where you can download your vocabulary and grammar and phonetics sheet below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with everybody you know who want to start learning French for free. À bientôt tout le monde. Bonne journée. Have a fantastic day. Tchou